Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. So for today's video, I wanted to do a really simple makeup look and show you a few different swatches from some Gerard Cosmetics lipsticks and lip liners that I just got in the mail. So I do have my base on, as you can see. I'll show you what I did use for my face. So first of all, I did use the Fenty Beauty foundation. This is it right here, and I'm in the shade 300. I then also went in with the Fenty Beauty to contour, and this is the matchsticks in the color Truffle, and this is it right here. Super easy to use, just swipe it on and blend. And then I went in with the Tarte Shape Tape concealer, and this is light medium honey, and this is it right here. Super good. So that is what I have on right now for my base. And then I also did go over the contour with the Morphe bronzer. This is Debutante, and this is it right here. So to get started today, we're actually going to go on to the brows, and I usually do my brows off camera because it saves some time, but I wanted to show you this new product that I got in today by Anastasia, Beverly, and it is amazing. It's going to save you so much time when you're doing your eyebrows. So because of that, I was like, I have to film this on camera. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So this is the new product right here. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the brow, this is the pomade gel. So this is it right here. So it comes just like this, and it's kind of in a gel format, but it does have that really strong pigmented pomade gel, which is great, and it's just gonna set it in place, and you just have to leave it and just forget about it. You don't even have to touch it up throughout the day, so it's really great. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm actually gonna go in with the Brow Wiz by Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is also in dark brown. This comes with a spoolie as well as a pencil on the other side. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna use the spoolie side, and I'm gonna just comb my brows up. So I like to comb the brow hairs up and try to just get that shape that they already have. Alright, so first I comb them up, and then I go in with the pencil side. So I'm just gonna push it up to retract some more of the pencil. You're creating hair strokes. So to do that, you're gonna go upward just like this, and you're gonna go in the same direction that your hair is growing. And then you kind of just want to create a line all the way across, but by doing those really small hair strokes. And I'm not applying a lot of pressure onto the brush. I'm not like really kind of getting in there and creating harsh lines. I'm just going really lightly and just brushing motion. So really light hair strokes. So after I do the bottom, I like to come right up top. And of course, everyone has different brows. My brows are very sparse, so they do require a bit more filling in than maybe most. But again, some people have less brows, some people have more. So just depending on your brow and the shape you want to do, you just kind of follow that kind of method. See? So already you can see such a difference just with the brow pencil. And I love this because the brow pencil, it does take a little bit of practice, but once you get the hang of it, it's so easy to use. It doesn't apply too much. Again, you're only applying as much as the pressure that you're putting on, and it looks very natural. It doesn't look, painted on. It's not too dark or too heavy. So again, you can see the difference from this brow to this brow, just with the Brow Wiz alone. So now we're going to be going into Anastasia Beverly Hills' new product, which is again the pomade gel. And this is awesome because what this does is it's a gel, so it's going to set your brows in place, so they're not going to move. The product isn't going to move around throughout the day, but also you're going to be able to really get like that nice kind of shape so easily. And you can use this alone as well. You don't have to use the brow pencil, but I always like to kind of just get that shape first and fill it in because I do have sparse eyebrows, and then go in with the gel. So what you want to do is you want to take the product just like this. And you can see that there's a lot on the brush. If you use it just like this, it's gonna be a bit too much, especially depending on the color. For me, I use dark brown. That's always been the color I loved, and it matches me the best. But it could be a bit too much product. So I like to just take the bit off the top just like that. And then what I like to do, what I like to do is I like to just kind of turn the brush and take all of that product off. Because again, it could be a little bit too much. So I'm just making sure I take off all the product, again to the tip, and it just leaves me with the right amount. So what I have on here now is perfect to do my brows. If you go in just right out the tube, it's gonna be a lot. So again, that's why I take lots of it off and then I go in. And this is gonna last you forever. Literally, this is gonna last you so long. So now that we've gotten most of it off the brush, we're gonna take the tip and we're gonna start at the tail end of the brow. So you wanna start right here. You don't wanna go in right here because it's gonna be too much product and it's gonna look too harsh and drawn on. So again, you want it to look nice and natural. So you're gonna start right here. And I'm gonna just start by taking the brush and going this way. So you're just brushing the very end of the brow. Just like that. And then you can go on further this way. And brush a bit more. And I like to stop just right here because I like for this to just look very soft and natural. I don't like to touch it too much. So I'm gonna just actually brush upward really softly and then brush them this way. And that's it. I mean, look at the difference. It's huge. These are my brows only brushed. I did nothing else to them at all. I just brushed it with the spoolie, and this is after. So these two products are what I use to achieve this brow. And I mean, it looks natural. It doesn't look too painted on, doesn't look too heavy. And again, with the brow gel, the beauty about this is that it's gonna set it and it's gonna just let it keep its shape throughout the day. It's not gonna move. The product isn't gonna shift around. It's gonna stay perfectly. So I'm gonna do the other brow and be right back. So now let's continue on with the tutorial. So today I'm going to be using the Anastasia eyeshadow palette. This is the palette right here, and this is the Mini Star palette. So I'm going to be going in for a more natural look today. So I'm actually going to be using the 3 shades right here that are in the center. And I'm doing this because I actually want to show you guys a few lipstick swatches at the end of the video. So I'm going to be going in with a blending brush, and I'm going to take the color Earth, and it's the color right here. So I'm going to be starting off with this shade right here. I'm going to take just a bit on my brush and then tap off the excess, and I'm going to start right here and just go back and forth. So I'm going to be taking the color Attic, and it is the color right here. And it's a little darker of a tone, so I'm going to be taking that on this brush. Again, this is the Morphe G16 brush. And then I'm going to just sweep this color right across. So I'm going to come right here and then kind of cut into the crease right here. So again, right here and right here. And this angle is really great because it helps you really just get into that crease and just kind of create that shape. So kind of creating like a arrow right at the edge of the eye. Little like pointy arrow right there. So then go take your big blending brush, and then you gotta just do circular motions just to blend it all up. And I take the color Bellatrix, which is the color right here. It's a beautiful, beautiful shimmery pink color. And we're gonna take it on this is a Wet n Wild blending brush. This is the brush right here. So you're gonna just take some of this, grab some of the color, tapping off the excess and apply it right on your eyelid. How pretty that is. So pretty. We're gonna start off with the Sugar and Spice lip liner, and we're gonna be using over that Kimchi doll. So I'm gonna just swatch them on my hand. That way you can get an idea of what it looks like. Oh my god, these lip liners are so smooth. I love them. So this is, again, Sugar and Spice and Kimchi doll. So really, really pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna apply that onto my lips. Okay, so on to the next swatch. This is the color Nude. So this is actually the nude lip liner, and then I also have the nude lipstick. So I'm gonna show you guys. Super, super pretty. I actually wore this combo for a photo shoot that I did the other day. So I loved it so much, and I was like, I definitely have to film this. So these are both nude colors, and I'm gonna wear them right now. Okay, so the next color is Share and Berry Smoothie. I'm super excited to try Berry Smoothie. These I haven't tried yet at all, so I'm super excited. So these are the swatches for both. So again, this is Share and Berry Smoothie. Super pretty. Okay, the next color I'm gonna say I'm probably the most excited for because I love red lipsticks. So this is called Immortal. It's the lip liner, and then the lipstick is called Fire Engine. So super fiery, super pretty. I saw this online and I was like, oh my god, I love it, I love it, I love it. So let's get it. Oh my god, look at this red. Can we just take a moment and just appreciate this red color? I mean, holy crap. Super pretty. Love, look how nice. Super pretty. Okay. Alright, let's get this on my lips. And sometimes what I like to do with dark colors is I like to take the lip liner and actually like to fill up my lips with the lip liner, and then I'll go in with the lipstick. And the reason I do that is because if the lipstick fades throughout the day, you always have that lip liner color underneath and it just holds it so much more better. So it's a quick little tip. Okay, and last but not least, I have one more to go. This is also a deeper color. This is called Mudslide for the lip liner, and the lipstick itself is Merlot. So super pretty, obviously a wine color. Oh my god, love them. So nice. Look how nice and rich that color is. That is so pretty. And as you can see, the lip liner is a little deeper, so it's gonna give that nice kind of like smoky look. So I'll show you. So first lip liner, again, this is the color Mudslide. There you have it, 5 lip liners and 5 lipsticks, all swatched for this beautiful look. And again, they all match this eye look beautifully. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed the eyebrow tips as well as the new products that I did use in this video. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe down below and give me a big thumbs up. It'll really help to support my channel. And until next time, remember to always create a life that you love.